do I know this place? I actually got married here. Yes, so I want to let everyone know this is my temple, Vishnu Temple in Richmond Hill. I've introduced Alex to my temple to do some of his beautiful artwork, which is very specialized. Alex is from Galaxy Decor, which is located in Improved Canada. So the work that Alex did here, it's just totally amazing. He works with a lot of textured paintings. He does a lot of crystals. As you can see on the walls, it's just amazing. I haven't seen anyone in Canada that does something like this. And I was so proud to introduce him to the temple because it just shows off a really nice temple.
What makes us different? I guess it's mostly multimedia. We use different applications, different materials and different layers to create the work. It means we create the shape first, and after working with the colors, and the last step is finishes: gold, silver, pearl and Swarovski crystals. No other companies using Swarovski crystals, at least in GTA in Toronto, to create the artworks. This is the main area of the Vishnu Mandir temple, and there are two walls. Behind me there is a space universe and the Lord Shiva. So those two walls were made with a lot of Swarovski crystals, different beautiful finishes to show our universe we live in. This is one of the walls in the Canadian Museum of Indian Civilization, the Lord Ganesha, human and elephant. Ganesha has a meaning of remover of obstacles. All body of the Lord Ganesha covered with crystals. There are hundreds of them. Interesting question, what I was doing behind the Lord Vishnu in the altar section. I was doing the wall. It's basically the ocean, wavy ocean, and it was very complicated work because first of all I had to remove my shoes, my belt. I didn't eat meat because of the conditions of working in the altar. It's a special area, not everybody can be there. To me is just enormous pleasure and happiness to be a part of the Vishnu Mandir temple.
So the end result of Alex's beautiful work was appreciated by everyone in the community.